Whoa, whoa. This is July 3rd, about 8:45.
Well,
Esteban lit his first fireworks today, a day before 4th of July, just because I'm here and I have to leave tomorrow about 9 o'clock on 4th of July because I got to go work on Sunday morning, getting up about 4:30 in the morning.
you can't talk.
Not really looking forward to that.
Daddy.
Look what Esteban did. He arranged all these chairs, the blanket, and just for us. And he did all this all by himself. Grandparents here, his uncle, a special chair. It's really heavy too, but Esteban is very strong. Oh! Woo! Close your eyes. Woo!
Like fireworks.
Step a little bit farther back, Esteban.
Lasting longer than I thought. Okay, never mind.
No.
Well,
So Esteban calls this one, see what it does.
okay, I see it.
Whoa, whoa. Woo! Oh. Wow. Whoa.
Yeah.
Another short but
Sorry.
powerful
Oh, okay.
exhibition
Oh,
of
okay.
fireworks.
Oh, like you saying that, okay.
Whoa. Whoa.
It's actually pretty good.
This one's really good. Ooh, not bad.
It's starting.
Whoa. Whoa.
There's some bigger fireworks over there. Okay.
Whoa. Whoa. Holy smokies.
Oh, that was unexpected. I didn't see.
Whoa. Oh, it's gonna set the car on fire. There's blood in the back. This one's mine. Oh, this one was mine.
Pretty good firework.
It's alright.
That is a
It's Esteban's.